So here we want to rewrite Cartesian functions as polar functions. So we got a couple of different versions. So this one right here, I want to get rid of x and instead have r's and thetas. Okay, so how do I get rid of x? Well, thinking back, I remember that x is equal to r cosine of theta. Now there's no y, so I don't care about y. That's really all I need to do. So I can just replace this x right here with what I claim it's equal to. So that x right there is really r cosine theta. And we think that's equal to -5, right? That's what the equation says. Solve for r, because I want r as a function of theta, divide by cosine. And then I should graph this to see if it looks like the line x equals -5, right? So this vertical line, x equals -5, pretty straightforward in Cartesian, wee bit more complicated in polar, but let's try to graph that and see what we got. So remember, we have a couple of tools, not the straight Desmos. Let's get rid of that one. Let's see, is that the one I want there? Nope, not that one either. You can go away, please. I need to go back. Let's see, it looks like I didn't, oh, I put it in the chat. Which one is that one? This one here, okay. This is also in the description of the video below. So here's this Desmos tool a friend of mine made, and all I have to do is up here replace the right side with what I want, which would be -5 divided by the cosine of, and I can just type theta here. Close parentheses, and there I see a vertical line at, there's -6, there's -4, that should be -5. Looks like I got the right function. In GeoGebra, I have a polar, excuse me, I have a polar plotter here, and all I do up here is use the variable t. So in this one, oops, I want to type -5 over cosine of t. And then if I just go click out here, it will graph that. Ooh, does not want to graph that one. I broke it. Oh my gosh. Space is messing it up. Shouldn't be. Interesting. This one didn't want to graph it. Ah, help. Okay, I'll have to investigate what went wrong there. Doesn't like it. Okay, does my other one like it? So over here, that's that curve equation I described. So let's just try the curve version. We'll turn, I could go edit it. I could just go in here, and it's the first thing is my r here. So I replace r with -5 over, oh, didn't like that. Let's get rid of that theta, over the cosine of, and I gotta go over here to get, oops, it was already in the right spot, theta. Okay, so I'm just replacing that first thing inside the point before the semicolon, hit enter, and there we go. There's that line. Okay, so this version worked better than my other one. I'll figure that out and get back to you.